Good afternoon. Today we will solve a question of theory of computation. The question says to construct a Turing machine to accept the language 0 1 star plus 1 0 star. So this is a machine which we will construct to accept the language 0 1 star plus 1 0 star. Here let us understand with an example. Our example is BB0110B. Here B is the blank. Initially, we are at this B and we are at state Q0. When a B occurs, we will move to the right by marking B as B. So now we are here and our state is in Q0. Now again B comes, so we will mark B as B and move towards right. So now we come here. Now this is 0. So after getting 0, we will go to state Q1 by marking 0 as X and moving towards right direction. So we will encounter a 1. In state Q0, when we get 1, we will mark 1 as Y and move towards right direction. So we will come here in Q2 state. Now after moving in the right direction, we are at this place. Here it again comes 1. So after 1, we will mark 1 is Y and again move towards right. Uh, in right, we will get 0. Till now, we were in state Q2, but after getting 0, we will move towards state Q4 by marking 0 as 0 and moving towards right. Here, Q4 is a dead state, which means our Turing machine will not accept that string according to the given conditions. Now we have encountered a blank space. So here a blank space means our machine has not accepted this string, uh, so our string is rejected by this Turing machine. Let us understand this with another example. Instead of 0 1 1 0, we will mark it as 0 1. Okay, with 0 1 initially we are at state Q0. Initially, we are at this B, the blank space. We will mark B as B and move towards right. Again, we will mark B as B and move towards right. Where we encounter any 0, we will mark 0 as X and move towards right, resulting in our state Q1. Now we have encountered 1 by marking 1 as Y and moving in the right direction. We will come towards state Q2. Now we will get B, which is blank. So marking B as a blank and moving towards left, we come to the state Q3. In this state Q3, it is a final state and all the elements are marked as X or Y. So this string is accepted by the Turing machine. Now let us look at another example. Our next example is BB00. In the first two B's, we will move towards in the loop in the state Q0. When we will encounter this 0, we will move towards right and mark 0 as X. And we will come to the state Q1. By encountering another 0, we will go to the state Q4 by marking 0 as 0 and going towards right direction. Now we are at B and in the state Q4. Here Q4 is a dead state, which means we cannot go from Q4 to any other state. So this our machine has not accepted the string, which results in false. And this is a transition table which we have constructed from this machine. To better understand, now let us understand this with the help of a code. This is the code for our Turing machine, which accepts the string 0 1 star plus 1 0 star. Initially, we have converted our string to a list pattern in Python, and our initial state is marked as Q0. Here are the examples of our string. And our first example is 1010, second is 000, and the third is 01100. Here, our first example should be marked as true, whereas the other two should be marked as false according to the conditions given in the question. So let us run and try here. In If we provided the input 1010, we got true. But when we provided the input 000 or 01100, we got false. This is because our tuning machine does not accept these kinds of inputs, so it results into false. The code, this code is provided in the description of this video link from where you can access it. Thank you. Have a nice day.